once again we are here with a new video, and this video is based on the topic multiplication of vector. So as you see this slides, this is written dot and cross product of vectors. So in this video we will learn only for the dot product, and the cross product we are going to learn in the coming chapters in the work part and energy, but here we are going to discuss on the dot product of the vectors. So what is dot product? If you see here in the diagram, there are two vectors a and b, and the angle between the two vectors is theta. So the dot product of two vector a and b is defined as the scalar value ab cos theta, where theta is the angle between them such that theta is more than 0 or equal to 0 but less than and equal to pi. So when the two vectors are at certain angle and we have to multiply the two vectors, then we are getting the scalar value of vector a and vector b, then it is called dot product. So what is the meaning of dot? Let us see. What is dot product? It is denoted by a dot b. Here the bold letters are written a and b, means they are vector, and in between them it is dot here. So we can say that a dot b. So it is denoted by a dot b by placing a dot sign between the vectors. So we have the equation a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. Theta is the angle between the given two vectors. Another name of dot product is scalar product, means whenever we are multiplying two vector, we are getting a scalar or vector. So when we are getting the scalar value, we are just saying this is a dot product. So dot product is also known as a scalar product of two vectors. Now what is cross product? The cross product of two vector a and b is defined as ab sin theta with a direction perpendicular to a and b in the right hand system, where theta is the angle between them such that theta is more than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to pi. So here two vectors a and b, in that the angle between them is theta, and c is the direction of that product of a and b. So what is the cross product? It is denoted by a cross b. You see in between a and b there is a cross sign by placing a cross sign between the vectors. So we have the equation a cross b is equal to ab sin theta or equal to c. If you see in the diagram, the c is the perpendicular at the plane of b and a. So c is the direction of the product a and b. So we can write a cross b is equal to c also. C is the direction and the value of the given two vector. And the name of the dot product, another name of the cross product is vector product. So the dot product is known as scalar product, and the cross product is known as vector product. In the place of dot you write here cross. Another name of cross product is vector product. So what is the illustration of dot product? Why dot product? Dot product is to express the angular relationship between the two vectors. If a and b are two vectors of suppose a vector a is there, and we are going to resolve into three components. So we are writing a1 I cap, a2 j cap, and a3 k cap. I, j and k we had discussed in the earlier video. They are the unit vector. The value is 1, and direction of I is towards x axis, direction of j is towards the y axis, and direction of k is towards z axis. Similarly for b, b1 I cap, b2 j cap, and b3 k cap are the component of vector b in x, y and z direction. So what is I? I is the unit vector in x axis, j is a unit vector in y axis, and k is a unit vector in z axis. So if we are going to multiply a and b, so what we are getting, a dot b is equal to a1 b1 I. Since I is parallel to I, so angle between them I is 0, so we can say cos 0 is equal to 1. So A dot B is equal to A1 B1, similarly A2 B2, and similarly A3 B3. So the dot product of vector A and vector B is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 and A3 B3. If you solve this question, and if you solve this relation by choosing any of the question, then you will understand that what does it mean. Now, what is the illustration of dot product? The angular relationship of the two vectors A and B as per dot product is A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. If you see in this diagram, in this figure, A dot B, vector A and vector B, the dot is kept in between the vector A and vector B, and it is equal to AB. If you see here, the vector A and vector B are in the mod, means the value of vector A and vector B, we are not taking the direction, so the value is AB cos theta. Theta is the angle between the A and B. So this is the illustration of dot product. A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. If you see AB cos theta is written in a white, means it is a scalar value. So I dot j is equal to j dot k. I dot j is equal to j dot k is equal to k dot I is equal to 0. Means if you are multiplying I and j, since I and j are perpendicular, angle between I and j is 90 degree. So ij is equal to ij cos 90 and cos 90 is equal to 0. Similarly, if you are multiplying j and k, the angle between j and k is 90. So j dot k is equal to jk cos 90 and cos 90 is equal to 0. Similarly, k dot I is equal to ki cos 90. So if you are multiplying ij and j to k or k to I, you are getting 0. And if you are multiplying I to I, j to j or k to k, means if you are multiplying I dot I, you are getting I cos 0, and cos 0 is equal to 1. Therefore you are getting value 1. Means I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, and k dot k is equal to 1. So this is how we are representing the dot product of unit value. Now what are the properties of dot product? Commutative law, means if you are multiplying A dot B, you will get the same result when you multiplying B dot A, means A dot B is equal to B dot A. This is a commutative law. Distributive law, A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. And associative law, M is any of the value, A dot B is equal to MA dot B or A dot MB. Means as you multiply the numbers 4 into 5 into 2, you are getting 4 5 are 22, 40. If you multiply 5 into 4 into 2, means if you interchange the position of the vectors, then the value will remain same. This is associative law. So the dot product follow commutative law, dot product follow distributive law, and also associative law. Application of dot product now. If you have to find the angle between two vectors are A and B, in between the angle is theta. So the relation is A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. So what is theta? So we can write cos theta is equal to vector AB upon AB, or theta is equal to cos inverse A dot B upon AB. Means AB is the magnitude and vector A and vector B is the vector value. So like this you can write, and you can find the angle. Projection of light. Suppose there is a light source and light is falling on any of the surface. So from the figure we are saying cos theta is On upon B, or On is equal to B cos theta. So cos theta is A dot B upon AB. We had seen the dot product. So by this, cos theta is equal to A dot B upon AB, or B cos theta is equal to A dot B upon A. So On is equal to A dot B upon A. We can find the projection of light. Real life application of dot product are calculating total cost, electromagnetism from which we are getting light, electricity, computers, etc., and gives the combined effect of coordinate in different dimension of each other. Now this is the dot product. How can we multiply two vector? what are the properties of dot product, what is the application of dot product, we have seen in this video. You see this topic from your NCERT also and from your reference book also, and solve the in-text